Well, welcome back. This is another quick $40 session of some Kentucky Lottery tickets. I got 4 of the $5 Power Shot tickets, and then I got 2 more of the $10 2024 doubler tickets. So let's see what happens with these. And this is a ticket I haven't played in a while. They've moved it up to one of the other bins, and so I kind of keep forgetting about it, but it's one I like to play just because it does play differently. So looking for the power symbol down here in the bonus, and then the lightning bolt over here, and if we get a lightning bolt we have a chance to multiply. So let's see what we get here. So nothing in the bonus. Now looking for the lightning bolts. Plays pretty quick too. And I've actually done pretty good on this ticket. So this was ticket 34, nothing on that one. The odds on it are 1 in 3.58. So ticket 35, nothing in the bonus. I think I've won 100 on it twice. Nothing on ticket 35. Ticket 36. Nothing bonus. There we go. Got 1 win. So let's see, we gotta multiply it. Oh, we got it 5 times. 5 times 1. Kentucky Lottery Special. 5 times 1 for $1. Ticket 37. Go back to back. Nothing there. So let's bring on the 2024 doubler. Ticket 14, which I think I'd played up to 13, so I think we did get the next one. Not for sure if people aren't playing this one just because it is related to the New Year's and we're past the New Year's, or what. So 1, 13, 32, 34, 38. Oh, we got a win. Got a 13, got a 34. Got an auto, 13, an auto, 13 auto, 34. I think I know where this is going. Looking for the noisemaker up here in the bonuses. No noisemakers, so usually this is $1 for 14. So let's see. Yep. And then I always started just seeing what this 130, that's what I saw on some of the others. And then last one, ticket 15. Back to back, 16, 17, 22, 24, 33. Saw the 32 and it was 22 is what we have. Oh, well, we did go back to back. Actually wasn't expecting that. So any noisemakers up here? No. So what's this going to be? $14. Which does seem like a weird amount on a ticket win, but you know, that's kind of what this game plays. So we got 14 there. Got another 14 for 28. and then we ended up getting a 5, so we ended up getting $33 back out of the 40. So that's not too bad. We'll take that. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.